suffering a bit. I don't know, I feel like I've been under a lot of stress lately. I have actually. Guys, I'm feeling really brownish today. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tifa if you don't know who I am. Yeah, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So this video is about me doing my makeup for church. I think this is I'm not sure, I think this is the second to the last or last Sunday in the year 2018. And I am like so grateful for a lot of things. Like this year has been so wonderful and I have learned a lot of good things this year. So let me just even stop talking and like just jump into the whole makeup thing, you know. Before I start anything, let me just go ahead and like prime my face, you know. I'm going to use this Pond's Lasting All Control Primer Vanishing Cream, very oily skin. My skin is not very oily, but I like this primer because it like does the work for me. Let me just start by really like asking you guys how you've been. Like, how have you all been? Like, how was your year? Like, guys, this year was like awesome for me. Let me not lie, it was awesome and not awesome. I'm like done with my brows now and I'm going to move to my lid. For my lid, I'm not going for anything too serious today. I might not even be doing a ring liner. Okay. So where was I in the talk? I was talking to you guys. Y'all know, like, I started my YouTube channel this year and I think that is like one of the best decisions I've made in my life so far. There were some ups and downs though, but I'm like so grateful to God for like everything, for like giving me the grace to be able to start my YouTube channel this year. For now, I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup to like set the concealer I put on my lid. Because if I didn't start YouTube this year, I don't know when I would have started, because I'm going into my final year in the university and I don't know if I would have had time if I was done with school. I'd have been like, oh, let me just not do this thing. But I'm like grateful that I actually started. Like, what are you guys grateful for? Let me know in the comment section down below what you are grateful for. So I'm going to use my Zaron nude eyeshadow palette in Earth. Even if I was hacked, I like feel like this year was still too awesome to like just make that pour my whole year, although it did affect me in like a way, because let's go into the shade Mocha and I just try to like darken out my crease. You know when you do not expect something, like I never ever thought that I could get hacked. Like I never believed it for once. And then you guys like kids get exaggerating this thing, you're like saying this thing too much, like you said it on Instagram, you said it everywhere possible, and now you're coming to come and say here again. Yes, I am grateful to God that I did not lose my Instagram account. So like one fateful day here, I think that was like a week ago actually. Just going back into that orange shade, I'm trying to like blend out the dark I put in my lid. I love this shadow. Like, this is just looking exactly how I want it to look. So perfect. I woke up, I still like reply some messages, my brother, some other of my friends. I replied them and all. And that's how I went to have my bath. And then I came back. And then I was locked out of Instagram. And for my eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Inglot 77 gel liner. This is my go-to liner right now. Like I don't think I'm using any other liner right now as much as I'm using this one. I'm going to use my Zara mascara. I'm just going to like try to like group all the lashes together. So I'm going to be using this Purple Glamour lashes, and I got them, they're a set of 5. So while that is drying out, I'm going to go, it's getting tacky rather, I'm going to go into my normal Beauty the Glue in Aurora, and I'm just going to apply this at some places. So like, you know, I tried to log back into the account. I wasn't able to get in. They won't let me like get back into my account. So I like, wait, what's going on? So and I tried again. I'm like thinking that, oh, have I forgotten my password and all that stuff, sha. So that's how I now tried again, and I said that the username does not exist. Like what? Like what do you mean the username does not exist? Like I said no, maybe it's just a mistake, maybe that system is having a fault. So I now like message my boyfriend and all that he should please that what is my Instagram password, because he has it. He told me my password, or what he thought was my password. I tried it again, it didn't enter. I said wait, it's like my something is wrong with my account, like you should check it out. He now sent a picture to me of one person, somebody that was using my account. Like, what? Okay, L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup, all free, cool, in deep cool C9. So I'm just going to be using that as my foundation. So after he sent me a picture of the person that was apparently using my page, I just started to panic. I was panicking, guy. Like, I felt like as if the whole world was about to stop. I felt like my whole world was about to like come to an end in 1 second. It felt so scary. He kept telling me, don't panic, don't panic. It's so funny anytime I remember the way I reacted or the way I like reacted. But honestly, if you work like so hard for something and then you just see that it's about to be over, like in the like twinkle of an eye, like you'll be scared. Trust me, you'll be like so terrified, because I know I was. So I just kept panicking, and I was already on my way out by this time, mind you. So I was like almost crying on the road, and people would not be looking at you like, what's going on with this phone? No, the person like changed my email, changed everything. Okay, so I'm going to contour with my in my skin foundation. Why do I keep calling this thing a foundation? In my skin concealer in the shade from Nuban Beauty in the shade 049. The bottom part of my beauty blender. I'm just going to go in and start blending that. So my boyfriend sharply reported the situation. So at the point in time, my boyfriend was able to kind of change the password of my distance, but the person kept changing it back. Cause like, how would you work so hard for something and then somebody thinks they can just come and like just take it from you? It's very annoying. Like, it's a very irritating attitude, honestly. So, and I've had this account since I was like in secondary school. That's like since I was like 16. So I've had this account for over 4 years, and I've been building it, sweating, trying so hard to get people to like my page, trying to like build my page in a way that it looks really nice. And then you think that you can just carry your 2 left legs one day and just walk into my page and try to like just take over my page. Nah, my God will not have it. I like how I'm looking. So now to contour, I'm going to go into my Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer in the shade 046. And I'm gonna be using that to contour my face. So Instagram sent me recover my account kind of email. Obviously the person does not have my email password, so the person can't get into my mail. I'll try able to recover it after like trying like so hard. I think the person gave up. I love how full coverage this concealer is. Like, I think this is my new favorite concealer. It is so full coverage. Like, I'm really proud that a Nigerian brand can like make this kind of concealer. Like, my look is like coming together so well that I am so happy. Like, I'm looking really, you know, natural. To set my concealer with my Bare Minerals mineral veil. It is a setting powder, and this is like just a sample that I got for free, and I'm so excited. Ooh. Okay, this is the first time I'm trying this. I hope it works well.
Just setting all the places that I concealed.
It's more like on a white powder kind of vibe. If I used Sasha Buttercup setting powder, it would be too yellow. I'm going for like a more translucent kind of look. And there it goes again, down. My Zaron face definer, I'm going to be using the darker shade to set my contour. I was able to like reset the whole account, but the bad thing was that I wasn't able to like recover my pictures. Zaron powder in the shade FZ30. Yeah, no, ZZ30. It's not FZ. this has ever happened to you before, like let me know in the comment section down below. I want to know how you were able to deal with it. So when I recovered my account, I had no pictures. Like my page was just like a new page, just that it still had the amount of followers. I know now some people stray into my page, they would think that I just bought the page. So like I lost a lot of followers. Yeah, so I'm like quite satisfied with the way I look right now. So for glow, I'm going to be taking my melanin and immediately I recovered it, I had to do a two-factor authentication. What is a two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication is when you're trying to log into your Instagram account. Instagram sends a code to your registered phone number that you are going to use to like log in. So that way it's easier and it's safer. They send it to your phone directly. So like if the person is not with your phone, the person cannot log in to, or without your authorization, the person cannot log in to your page. Before I forget, let me set my brows. And I'm going to be using my Block Cosmetic brow set in clear. So just going to set my brows with that. Even everything that happened to me, even though I lost all my pictures, I kind of lost a lot of followers, I'm still very grateful to God for loving me so much this year. He giving me the grace to be able to start my YouTube channel. Like it is not easy, trust me guys, it's just not an easy task, and I've been able to start. I'm posting videos back to back, but like I keep strengthening myself in the Lord, and I'm just happy, you know, I'm very happy. And even though I'm starting all over again on my Instagram, I know God is going to help me, so I'm just glad. So for my lip, I'm going to use my Zaron lip liner in Cappuccino to line my lip first. So now going in my Zara matte lip stain, I'm going to be putting that in the center of my lip. So now to finish up my lip look, I'm going to go into my sheer gloss, lip gloss from Zara Cosmetics. So we are done with the look. Well, not done. I have to go and do my hair. I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail. So I've already like tied it down since, so let me just unwrap it. Ooh, girl. Okay. Okay. Done with this look. Thank you guys for chilling with me while I was getting ready for church today. Okay, so if you guys like this video, please let me know if to do more Chit-Chat GRWM me. Don't forget to let me know if you were ever hacked, like in any sort of way. It doesn't have to be Instagram, anywhere, everywhere is important. Just let me know in the comment section. Let's talk about it. Don't forget to get your two-factor authentication done on your Instagram page. It is important, trust me. You do not want to be losing your page. It's not a wonderful thing to happen to anybody, trust me. Also, yeah, let me know what you're grateful for. Let me know how your year has been. Let me know what you're grateful for. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.